Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to give you guys a quick meal prep idea, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to make lemon garlic chicken. This dish came out amazing, so stay tuned and subscribe. I started off washing and cleaning my chicken thoroughly, and I begin to cut my chicken breasts into halves on a cutting board. If anybody has any questions, I am using a clear cutting board. Very easy, very simple. Next, I cut small slits into the chicken. I just like doing this to my chicken because it helps the seasoning kind of get in there really good. So next you're going to need some lemon juice and some lemons. You can use both or you can use either one. I used both in this video. You do not have to use lemon juice and lemons. You can just use one. Next, you're going to want to add a little bit of olive oil. This helps the chicken stay moist while you're cooking it on the stove, and it's going to come out so juicy. Now this is the time to add whatever seasonings you prefer. Me, I like to add a bit of everything. I'm a little heavy-handed on the cayenne pepper, as you may know if you watched some of my previous videos. Just added salt, cayenne, garlic powder, of course fresh garlic, black pepper, but you can add whatever you choose. And I also added thyme. Can't forget the thyme. I love thyme. So I placed the chicken in the refrigerator to kind of marinate for at least an hour, and I began preparing the rest of my meal, washing some potatoes, chopping them up. Again, people, I am using a cutting board. It is clear, in case anybody had any questions about that. I am a germaphobe. I would never cut food on the counter itself. I will leave my video link down below, 50 fun facts about me. I do mention being a germaphobe in that video, along with so many other fun facts, so go check that out. So you're going to coat a pan with a little bit of olive oil, and I put potatoes in there, and I also washed some string beans and added that as well. Covered it over and just popped that in the oven at about 350. By now the chicken should be ready. You're going to coat a pan, non-stick pan, and begin to make your chicken. You're going to cook it on each side for about 6 or 7 minutes and flip it. You're going to be flipping the chicken quite a few times up until it's cooked all the way through, and however many times that needs to be is however many times it needs to be. You're going to take some of the extra sauces or juices or whatever you want to call it, seasonings, and kind of get some on the chicken in between some of your flips, just to keep the moisture and flavor locked in. Ooh la la, look at all those juices. You're going to notice that as you keep flipping and rotating the chicken, it's going to start getting nice and golden brown. That's a good sign. If you have any questions about if the chicken is cooked, you can cut a piece open. And if you see that little pink on the inside, that means it's not done yet. You should not see any pink. Throughout the process, if your pan starts to get burnt up with the chicken, all you do is just rinse it out, put it back on the stove, and cook the rest. To complete my meal, I sauteed a little bit of mushrooms to put on my chicken, and my sides are finished and ready. And there you have it, guys. This is my lemon garlic chicken with some mushroom toppings. This was so delicious and so juicy. I'm going to leave some of my other videos related to food down in the description box below if you would like to check out some more videos. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.